Afternoon. Okay, now, have you all completed that exercise?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
18.3. Yes.
Yes, sir. We have completed the exercise
Very good,
18.3.
very good.
Yes.
Okay. भरत बेटा माइक ऑफ करिए। तो क्या करें, तुम्हारे घर आके ऑफ कर दिया करें माइक? क्या करें, तुम्हारे हाथ पे जोड़े, क्या करें बताओ। भरत बेटा प्लीज माइक ऑफ कर लिया करो। कैसे कहें तुमसे यार?
So what are we going to do now?
Beta, we will do these activities which are given in this. Not the activities actually, they are a part of your syllabus. Solids. So this is all this is I think is a part of exercise 18.3. Okay, so we have to name different types of solids. Then what we have to do in this, we have learned that to reflect an image means to produce its mirror image. All mirror images are created by flipping the object. Every reflection has a mirror line. This monkey singing song and its mirror image. This is a monkey singing song and its mirror image. Monkey is singing a song. बताइए, monkey गाना गा सकते हैं जैसे हम लोग गाना नहीं गा सकते. A boy standing near the bed and its mirror image. Boy is standing and this is a foot and its mirror image. Wow, कितनी new चीज है, innovative. Then these are rotation, symmetry बताएंगे आपको क्या होती है. Okay, so let's move forward. We will first name the solid which is shown in the following figures. Okay, so first one, do you all know the names of these ships, solid ships?
Yes, sir.
आपको मालूम है नाम इनके?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So what is the first one?
Cube.
It is a cube. Write down in the book only, everyone. It is a cube. This one is a cube.
Second one is cuboid.
Second one is cuboid.
And the third one is sphere.
Just
Yes, sir. And the sphere.
just a minute, just a minute. Second one is cuboid. Do you know the spelling
Third
of
one is
cuboid? C-U-B-O-I-D.
Sir, CUBOID.
Yes,
Huh?
C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then third one is a sphere. Third one is a sphere.
Yes, sir.
Write down in your copies.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in copy or book?
No, sorry, मेरे मुंह से निकल गया. I'm sorry. Write down in your book.
In the copy. Sir, the fourth one, I don't remember.
Yes, sir. I also don't know the fourth one.
Fourth one, it is a cylinder. A balloon is a type of a cylinder.
Oh.
जिससे बच्चों की मार लगती है.
Yeah. No, ma'am. No, sir. हमारी नहीं लगती.
नहीं
No,
लगती?
sir.
अच्छे
The
बच्चों
fifth one is
नहीं
cone.
लगती.
मेरे जैसे शैतान बच्चों की मार लगती है. अच्छे बच्चों की नहीं लगती.
Sir, rest three are cone and then sir the last one is cylinder.
हाँ, very good. So this is a cylinder, then this is a cone, this is also a cone, conical shape है ये भी. This is cone. This is also cone. This
So
is
this is
again
also
a
cone.
proper cone. This is a proper cone.
Yes, sir.
And
And
this
this
is
is
a cylinder. This is a proper
cylinder.
cylinder.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Cube,
sir. Sir,
cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone, 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 and cylinder. Cylinder की spelling आती है सबको? CYLINDER. CYLINDER. Cylinder.
Yeah.
उसके बाद ये देखिए बुक में आप पेज नंबर 150, चलो पहले नोट डाउन कर लो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
What is this? There are two monkeys, two students, two leg.
They are showing mirror images.
Reflection. Okay, just
Mirror image दिखा रहे हैं. What is a mirror image?
reflection. Then rotation, and then symmetry of solids.
Rotational symmetry दिखा रहे हैं. Then rotate कैसे?
sir, what we have to do in this reflection?
अभी बताते हैं. Reflection, rotation, symmetry of solids क्या क्या होता है ये सब.
They are telling at the first time we have learned that to reflect an image means to produce.
So have
So
you
what
completed that part? Solids वाला part आपने complete कर लिया?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you all come to this topic, reflection. Reflection पे आ जाइए.
Yes.
Reflection में you just have to observe that this is a monkey and he's singing a song and this is his mirror image. I don't know in which world monkeys sing a song.
Yes, sir. Sir, in book, sir, in studies, monkey sing song.
Sir, in book world.
The book world.
Yes,
is-
sir.
Okay. In the cartoon world also they can do anything.
Yes, sir. Sir, cartoon world में तो कुछ भी होता है.
कुछ भी मतलब. Okay, then second one is very realistic. A boy is standing near the bed.
Yeah.
तो ये तो possible है. And then it is the boy's mirror image. So you can see
I like.
the boy is saying hi to his mirror image. The boy is saying hi to his own mirror image, and the mirror image is replying back.
Yes, sir.
So are you getting what is a mirror image? When you raise your left hand
Yes,
in a
sir.
mirror image, have you ever noticed if you raise your hand in front of a mirror, it looks like you are raising your right hand when you are raising your left hand, and when you raise
Sir,
your
can you,
Yes.
when you raise your
Excuse me,
right
sir?
hand, it looks like you are raising your left hand. उल्टा होता है opposite. हाँ जी.
Yes,
excuse me, sir?
Yes.
Sir, yes, sir.
Sir, I am
Sir,
raising
in
my hand
camera
and,
also.
and you
Sir.
have to guess this
Sir,
is
sir,
right or left.
One by
I am
one.
raising my right hand.
Sorry. One by one. Tell me.
Sir, in
Yes.
the camera also.
Sir,
In
sir,
the camera also,
I'm
it's
raising
Look,
my
wait,
hand
that I am.
wait. Bhakti and Pratishtha, both of you are talking together. I'm not able to understand anyone. So Pratishtha, you tell me. दोनों ने अब off कर लिया साथ में. Pratishtha, you tell me first.
When we are this, we are like this, we are making a punch, and on the camera it's showing that it's like that we are doing with our right hand.
Okay.
Right hand.
But
But I'm
actually, you're
doing
doing
with
it with your left hand. It is looking like you are doing it with your right hand. Aswa
Yes,
is
sir.
enjoying the class. She's really dancing. She's really enjoying it. Aswa, nice
Yes,
dance.
sir. In the science song, science class, she was singing.
Arey wah. Arey, I would have liked
yes,
Sir, I forgot that my mic was open.
Sometimes it happens to them.
So you start singing a song and then forget that the mic is open.
yes,
Then,
sir.
then class said
Now.
that she talk of
I'm
my.
asking you to do it now. Start singing and forget your mic is open. And you were, it was a nice step. What were you doing? Asfa, can you show it to me again? That step. Oh. So is there any song going in your room? Matlab, are you listening to a
No,
song?
sir, no song.
Just
No
like that.
song.
Okay. I think you are listening to this Monkeys song. Okay, which song you were singing, Asfa, in science class?
Sir,
Before this period.
Which song?
I'm mad at Disney.
Yeah.
I'm mad at Disney. This is a song.
Yes, sir.
Can you just tell me what are the first two lines of the song? Can you sing
Yes,
it
sir,
and
sir.
tell
I'm
me?
mad at Disney. They trailed me. Had me wishing on a shooting star. And now I'm 20 something. I still know nothing about who I am or what I'm not. Sir, I forgot the tune, sir. Before in the break, sir, I was listening another song, so sir, I forgot the tune.
But
That song.
it is still sounds wonderful. Very good. Excellent. And whose song is it? Who's the singer? The real singer, the original one.
Sir, I don't know. Sir, I will have to check.
Okay.
This same happens with me. I just listen the song, but I don't know who is the singer.
Okay. So
She's Selim Eslin.
sorry.
Selim Eslin. Selim Eslin is her name.
Okay. Okay. I have never heard of that name.
Me too.
Okay. So and in the third figure, you can see that there is a foot, and then there is the mirror image of the foot. Okay. So this is the thing that you had to observe here in these images of reflection. Then you can come to rotation. Rotation पे आ जाइए. When you
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी.
Sir, I am raising my hand. And can you tell that which one? Can you guess that which one the hand, the right or left?
It is your left hand.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. So,
So
but
because
I have
Sir,
done the mirror
the
image.
side will be right hand, so it will be on left side, and when we are raising our left hand, then it will be
Sir,
on
my.
right side.
Left.
So which one is it?
Left.
Left hand. Left hand.
Now
Sir,
please
my
tell
is left hand.
Yes, Asfa, it is your
Please
left
tell
hand.
my.
Bhakti,
Sir,
again
Please tell.
left hand. Bhakti, it's your left hand again. And Ansharya left hand.
Now,
Sir,
so
tell.
which hand
Yes.
are? So which hand? There are two hands. You have to guess which one is the right one.
Okay, where I can't see your video. Where is it? You are raising
Yes.
both your hands.
Yes, sir. And you have to guess which one is the right hand.
You have put your left hand on the position of right and your right hand in the position of left.
Yes, sir. You are right. It was an easy question.
Asfa, was I right? You were raising your left hand?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Please tell my hand. It is left or right?
You tell me this is a finger of my right hand or left hand.
Sir, please tell.
Sir, it's your right hand.
No,
Okay.
sir, it's left hand. Left.
I will not cheat. I will tell you the truth. Okay. Is
Sir,
it my
left
right
hand.
hand or left hand?
Sir,
Finger of
left.
my left hand.
Sir, left.
Sir, left.
Sir, because
Sir,
you're
because
standing
right-
on this side. Sir, if
Yes,
you would,
sir.
if it had been
Because
right, so sir, your
we
nail
are
would
left
have been
hand, so
visible.
this is left hand.
Sir, your
Very
nail
well,
is
sir.
not
Yes, sir.
visible. That's why it is left.
Sir,
hand.
it will be both. Sir, you like this. This is left hand. Sir, it will be both.
So yes, it is. It is my left hand.
Yes, sir.
Left hand.
Sir, I
Left
get
hand.
it.
Sir, it makes
I
sense.
get it.
Left hand.
Okay, one more time.
Sir, I didn't enjoy maths class
One more time.
because there are we just have talks with each other.
One more time.
Sir, my
Sir,
hand
sir,
color is
again
blue.
left.
Sir,
Sir,
this is
again
right.
left.
Sir,
No,
right.
this
Sir,
time it is
again
right.
left.
This
Sir,
time
this
it is.
is right.
This is
It was
left.
right.
This is right.
Sir, I guess it. I guess it. Sir, I have guessed.
Sir, I think Aspa is singing a song now also.
Her mic
But the
is off.
mic is muted.
No, no, I'm
She
not
is not
singing.
singing. Okay, the next topic is
Okay.
rotation. Look at the page on page number 151. All of you, rotation देखिए क्या होता है. So here there is an alphabet A. If you rotate it 90 degrees, sorry, clockwise, 90 degrees clockwise. Clockwise rotation मालूम है आपको क्या होता है? Have you ever noticed in what direction
Yes, sir. Sir,
the
the clock moves this side.
yes,
So
the
this
Yes,
hands
sir.
of the clock move in this direction. Okay, in this direction. And if you are saying anti-clockwise, that means in the opposite direction where the hands of the clock move. Clock के hands हमेशा ऐसे move करते हैं ना? Am I right? This side. Okay.
Sir,
So if
Yes,
something
sir.
is moving in the opposite
sir.
direction, if something is moving, that is known as
it's called
anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
anti-clockwise.
Okay,
So
sir.
here,
Sorry.
can you tell me they have rotated in the first case they have rotated the letter
Sir,
A.
I was on a call and my connection has been gone, so I was not attending class.
Okay, now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, beta. Keep your mic off. Very good. अच्छा देखिए, now you tell me that in the first case they have rotated letter A clockwise or anti-clockwise, and how much?
Sir, clockwise 90 degrees.
Correct answer. They have
Yes,
rotated
sir.
the letter A clockwise 90 degrees. Okay.
So because this is left to right, so this is a clockwise.
Yes, correct. Okay, so one more thing, I will draw the figure on the board and then I will ask you.
Okay, sir.
So this was letter A, and if we rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, ऐसे करके rotate कर देंगे, we get something like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think this
Yes, sir.
90
here.
degree rotation, clockwise rotation 90 degrees. Now you tell me for this figure.
So this is not a clockwise.
Now if you
Sir,
are,
this is anti-clockwise.
there are
180 degrees.
there are two cases. If we are going to this position from this position, अगर हम यहाँ से यहाँ move कर रहे हैं, then you tell me what type of rotation is it? This could be any
No, sir. Sir, this is clockwise. Sir, this is clockwise.
clockwise or anti-clockwise, any, but it is a 180 degree rotation.
Clockwise.
Okay,
It
sir.
could be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Any rotation could be there. You will get the same position. If you move
Yes, sir.
clockwise 180 degree, then also you will get this position of it. And if you move anti-clockwise 180 degrees, then also you will get the same position.
Okay, sir.
But if you are reaching from here to here, then you tell me what type of rotation it is.
Sir, it is anti-clockwise.
Yes, now it is anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise 90 degrees. Okay.
So because this is going to right to left, but
Yes, sir.
the clock we
It's
have
not moving from the
left
first figure.
From the first figure, if we are comparing the third one, then it is anti-clockwise 90 degrees. Okay. Got it? So this
Yes, sir.
clockwise and anti-clockwise thing is not given in your book, but it should have been given. Okay. Okay, so let me ask you about something. Let
Sir,
me,
activity.
Yes, sir.
this
Sir,
is
वो, sir, 95 multiply by 95,
Yeah.
one,
what we are doing
this
is
one.
nothing less than an activity. This is also a kind of activity only.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is so easy activity, so I want to do it.
Let me ask you about something which is difficult. Let me ask you about something which is difficult.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I am going to make a figure on the board, and you have to tell me that how much you should rotate this figure so that you get the figure looks like it is in the same position again. You tell me how much should I rotate so that I get the same position again.
So 180 degrees.
180 degrees. Only 180 or something else will also work.
360 degree, 360 degree,
But I don't.
360.
360 degree. Sir, I think so, 360 degree.
180 and 360 both are correct. But clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Sir, clockwise. Sir, clockwise.
It could be clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. If you rotate the figure 180 degree, clockwise or anti-clockwise, then you will get the same position. And same for 360 degrees also.
Again, that's why I was not able to
Okay, sir.
attend the little bit class.
So if you
Sir,
rotate,
at which time will this class be over? Sir, yesterday in the message it was
150.
written 1
150.
50. 150.
150. 150.
150. Okay.
So you can move in any direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise 180 degrees. You will get the same position like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
But if I write, if I do something like this in the figure, now you tell me.
Sir, you can
Yeah,
tell
क्या?
us
माई तो नहीं है.
Sir,
Now,
that
when will we get,
and also mirror it direction will be not changed.
sorry,
sir,
Abhiyan,
please tell.
Abhiyan, sorry, what are you
So
saying?
fast, how can you tell degree?
Abhiyan, कुछ कह रहे हैं. Abhiyan, what are you saying?
So I am asking, is there any shape which direction will not change if we mirror it or if we rotate it?
It is your,
Excuse me, sir.
it is a square. Rotate it, or if you see the figure in the mirror, it will look like the same. If you rotate
Excuse me, sir.
it, circle also. In case of circle also, you can rotate it as much as you
Sir,
want.
I can't understand that how to count degree. You can tell again.
Okay, just a minute, just a minute. So it could be a square or it could be a circle. In case of a square, if you are rotating 90 degrees or 180 degrees or 270 degrees or 360 degrees, the figure will look like the same. Or if you are seeing the mirror image of a square, also, then also it will look like same. Same is the case with a circle also. Circle will always look same when you see in a mirror, or you rotate as much as you want. The circle will look same. Am I right, Abhiyan?
Yes, sir.
So I can clap for myself.
Sir, please tell.
Yes. What, beta? What is your question?
Sir, I'm asking that how to so fast how to count degree. I can't understand. So please
Okay.
tell again.
You are not able to understand how we have to calculate the degree, how much we have rotated. Okay. Suppose if I rotate this figure, so I will give you another example. Let me complete this first. I will give you another example. Okay. So first of all, now can you tell me how much we should rotate this figure so that it look like the same? Anyone? This is a circle and this is a square. This is a circle.
Sir, I think so.
How much we should rotate it?
Sir, 360 degrees.
360 degrees only. Because if we rotate it 180 degrees, what will happen? Outer shape will be the same. If we rotate it 180 degrees, the outer shape will look same.
But the inner is not same.
Yes, but inside the figure, what will happen? This square will come down and circle will
And
go up.
circle go. Yes, sir.
Okay, it will happen like this. If you rotate 180
Yes, sir.
degrees. Getting my point?
Okay, sir.
Only if you rotate 360 degrees, then only it will look same. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
now, who was asking? I think Atulya Sharma was asking about the degrees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am going to make a figure. I am writing the letter B here. So if I rotate this letter 90 degrees clockwise, how much? 90 degree clockwise मैं इसको rotate कर देता हूँ. So it will look like this. It will go in this position. Atulya Sharma, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
And if I rotate another 90 degrees again clockwise, it will look like this. It will become a mirror image of itself. And then if I rotate
Yes,
one more
sir.
time, 90 degrees, if I rotate one more time, one more time 90 degrees clockwise, then it will look like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finally,
So
when
this,
one more time
this,
you
this.
rotate 90 degrees,
So this come in
it
the.
will go back to the original position. So
Yes,
from
sir.
here to here directly, if I want
Yes,
it to happen, how much I'm going to rotate? How much I'm rotating?
180 degree.
90 plus 90.
180 degree. 180 degree.
180 degree.
Yes. Atulya Sharma, have you understood? Is he there? Yes. Atulya, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Nandri.
clear. So hi guys, it is all clear. Mama, Mama भूख लग रही है.
तो बेटा मैं खाना बना के दे रहा हूँ. What do you want to eat? Pizza? Burger?
Sorry, sir. I didn't saw that my mic was on. A big mistake happened.
No problem. Now the next topic is symmetry. Symmetry is very similar to the mirror images. Okay.
So this is very, very simple.
So, see, first of all, for a mirror image, for making you understand symmetry,
This is my mirror image.
let me take an example of a rectangle. This is a rectangle on the board. So if I
Yes, sir.
keep a mirror at this position, so this part of the rectangle, will look like the mirror image of this part. They both will look mirror images of each other. Am I right or
Yes,
not?
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this is known as, this line is known as line of symmetry. What is
Okay,
this?
sir.
Line
Symmetry
of
line. Symmetry.
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 Then in this also,
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
there are so
This
much
is known
So
as
examples.
line
W
of
and
Examples.
okay.
etc.
The
Can this figure have another line of symmetry
No, sir.
anywhere else? So
Sir, in this figure.
if I see this,
No.
see this, let me make it more clear. If I
Yes,
draw
sir. Yes,
a
sir.
line here,
Sir, half.
is this the line of symmetry?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No,
Why?
sir. No,
Because
sir.
this
No,
portion
sir.
is
No,
bigger than that portion.
because it's
These two portions are
it's
not
not
mirror images of each other, so this is not a line of symmetry. Okay. But also this is wrong. This is correct.
Sir, but we do like this in the page
Can
number
we
140
have another line
experiment.
of symmetry? Yes, we
Sir,
can.
in between.
If we do like
Point
this, is this a
point
line
A.
of symmetry?
good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, this is correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is a line of symmetry because here again the upper portion is the mirror image of the lower portion and vice versa. The lower portion is the
Yes,
mirror
sir.
image of the upper portion. Okay.
Hmm.
So yes,
Okay,
they
sir.
are line of symmetry of. So this is also a line of symmetry. So have you all understood what is the concept of line of symmetry?
Yes, sir. Hmm.
Yes, sir. So only one is left.
Okay, no problem. So I'm going to make a letter I, not 1 minute better. It will get over it. Yeah, 150. 4 minutes are left.
Sorry, 150.
Sir, 4 minutes
I
are
I
left.
thought that it will be
Over at 2 o'clock. You are muted.
So I am making the English alphabet I, capital I. This letter I, will it have a line of symmetry?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sorry.
Sir,
Yes,
it will
sir.
have, sir, in the
But
middle.
Sir,
can
between.
In the middle.
In between.
Yes,
we
sir,
have a
in
line
between.
of symmetry like this? The letter
Yes,
I?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Right.
it is also vertically and horizontally
This
both.
is horizontal is correct, and as well as vertical line of symmetry is also possible. So this is
Yes,
also
sir.
correct. Both the line of symmetries are correct. So they are forming mirror images in both the cases. Okay. So this is the basic concept of symmetry. Can you give me an example of any other English alphabet which has line of symmetry? Two line
W.
of symmetry. W has one line of symmetry or two lines of symmetry? W, the letter W.
The
Sir,
W
one.
has one
One.
line.
One.
Only one. Which is exactly in between vertical one. Can it have a horizontal line of symmetry? No.
Sir, H1. H. Sir,
H
H
can
has
have it.
two vertical.
Sir,
Letter,
H.
Yes, sir. So it is
letter H
vertically
can
and
have
horizontally
two
both.
lines of symmetry, vertical and horizontal. Correct. What about X? The letter
Sir,
X.
X will. Sir,
Yes,
X
sir.
will also have two.
Yes.
Yes,
X,
sir.
the
X
letter
will
X,
also
X
have.
is also have two.
two lines of symmetry. Correct. Correct. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Any other letter? Can you think of any other letter which has at least one line of symmetry?
A. A.
A.
Sir,
A, the
A.
letter
Yes,
A.
A.
The
A.
letter
Sir,
A
A,
can have.
word.
W.
This
Sir,
is
A, W, Z.
letter
Sir,
A.
Z also Z. Sir, A has only one line.
Sir, V. V. Van wali V.
Letter A
Yes, sir.
can
It has
have a.
only one.
Natural drop.
Yes, sir.
It can have a line of symmetry. And
Yes, sir. Sir, but only one.
okay. So can you
Sir,
tell me
the
about
letter B. B.
letter B? Letter B. Will it
No,
have?
sir. No, no.
Sir, it
No, because the one that is
because one
down
time
on side, it is bigger than the
This
one
arc
on
is
the
bigger
upper side.
than the upper
Yes.
arc. Upper arc is smaller and the smaller arc is bigger. That is
Yes,
why
sir.
it will not have any line of symmetry, the letter P. Okay.
Sir. Okay, okay, sir.
What about V? The letter V will have a line of symmetry. V. V
So
Yes,
will
sir.
only one line vertically.
line of vertical
Yes,
or
sir.
horizontal?
Only one I told, but you didn't listen the quick.
Horizontal or vertical?
So I think so vertical.
Vertical. V letter can have one
Up
line
to
of
down.
symmetry which is vertical.
Yes, sir.
And
Up to. So
mm,
मैं, mm,
what about the letter S? S.
Sir, HS both.
Letter S.
SS both.
S.
S. Okay. Sir, S has only one.
Where? Horizontal, vertical, where?
Horizontal.
Let me tell you, the letter S has no line of symmetry. इसमें कोई भी line of symmetry नहीं होती है. It will not have any line of symmetry. S. Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's it for today. Bye bye, all of you. Merry Christmas. Enjoy.
Bye bye, sir. Have a nice day. Merry Christmas.
Bye bye, sir. Merry Christmas.
Bye bye, sir. Merry Christmas. Bye bye, sir.
Sir, have a great day.
Thank you. Same to
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you so much, teacher.
Classes
Bye
are
bye,
awesome.
sir.
Same to you. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye, sir.